Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, white color, and green color. So kids, now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A and use red color. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for doll. E for egg. F for fan. G for glass. H for horse. I for ice. It's now draw J, the alphabets of J, and use yellow color. J for jackfruit. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rice. It's now draw S and use blue color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for uncle. V for vanilla. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and use black color. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.